So I have finally finished the cake, and I tell you what, I think this is the best cake I've ever made. It honestly took me just an hour to decorate it. Like, there's so much chocolate on it. It's crazy, but yeah, so happy with how this looks, honestly. Definitely want to get Star Baker for this. Hello everybody, so I haven't yet got my lipstick on, which is why I look like I have no lips right now, but I just thought I'd quickly come on to explain what I've just made. So we're doing a stand up to cancer bake off at work, so I wanted to make something really like extravagant, so I decided to make a chocolate cake. Now I did originally want to do the kind of like dripping icing, but it literally didn't work at all, so I had to kind of cover the whole cake in the chocolate icing and then put all the sprinkles and stuff on top. But I'm so happy how it turned out. But I'm just about to head off to work, but I thought I would quickly show you a new look parcel that has just arrived and what is inside it. So this huge parcel has just arrived. I'll get it out. Oh my god. Okay, so I basically ordered a fold-out jewellery stand because I saw this on the website and it looked really cute, and I do actually need something like this to put my jewellery on, because at the moment my jewellery is just kind of everywhere in little pots. I've got nothing, I've got nowhere to basically hang up like necklaces or anything like that. So I brought this, which is actually so cute. So I guess, don't know which way round it goes, I guess it goes that way. And then obviously you hang all of your earrings along here, and you can hook like rings and necklaces on this bit here. So this is really cute. This is exactly what I wanted, and it's white, so it matches my room perfectly. So yeah, that is the first thing that I brought. And Erin, if you're watching this, skip forward a couple of minutes, because otherwise this is going to ruin your birthday present. Well, one of them anyway. Ah, can't get it out. So I got her like a cactus photo stand, just because my best friend Erin is obsessed with cactuses, and I know she'd really like this. So I'm going to get some like my own photos of us, and pin them onto it. But I just think this is such a cute idea for like a birthday or something, because it looks really nice just on your desk, but it's also personalised because you can add your own photos. So yeah, that is one of her presents. So next I ordered these trousers. Now I've got no idea what these are going to look like. They could look horrendous, but basically they're just plain black trousers, and they have a white stripe down the side, so I will try them on for you guys in a minute. These are £19.99, and they're quite slim at the bottom. I don't know how these are going to look, but I ordered a size 6 and a size 8 because I wasn't sure which ones are going to fit the best. And then I think, oh no, I ordered something else, wait, this top. And then I also ordered this top, which it's just so cute. Like, I love this. And it's basically just a plain black cami, but it's a really nice sort of material. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Yeah, I think you can kind of see it. And it's just got a white stripe down the side, and I just thought this was really nice. So this was £9.99, which is actually really affordable for a top like this, but it's kind of cropped, but I just thought this would look really cute with like a pair of jeans or like trousers or something. So yeah, I brought that little top as well. Good morning everybody. So I have just had breakfast, as you would have seen. Excuse how rough I look. I don't know why I look so tired at the moment. I had a really long lie-in this morning, which is amazing. But I'm just about to try on those trousers that I showed in yesterday's clip, because I didn't get a chance to try them on yesterday. So this is what the trousers look like. Now this is a size 6. And I have rolled up the bottom because if I don't they look really stupid. But I'm really not sure on these. I don't think they're that flattering. Like I'm not sure. I feel like if they were more high-waisted and maybe had something around the middle to kind of like cinch them in, they'd be a lot more flattering. But also this is the only top that I feel like I've got that will match with them. Like I don't understand what else you'd put with these trousers. So I don't know, I think I'm gonna have to send these back because they don't really go with this top. And I don't know what else you'd wear them with. Yeah, I think I'm just going to have to send these back because I don't know how I would style them, and I just don't think the fit on them is quite right for how I would personally wear them. So yeah, I think these are going to have to go back. Okay, so I was just like sitting and thinking to myself about my YouTube channel and stuff, and I just thought I might as well just come on here and actually talk to you guys about it whilst I'm just putting a little bit of makeup on. I'm just using a bit of the Makeup Revolution concealer at the moment. So basically I was gonna sit down and film like a full-blown makeup tutorial today. Like just sat there and I was like, I really don't want to film it. Like I don't know, I didn't like, all morning I've been like, I'm not looking forward to filming this video. And for me, this YouTube channel is my hobby. Then again, like, it's not that I don't want to film videos anymore, because like vlogging and stuff, I absolutely love it. Like I love putting vlogs together. I really like the editing part of it. I really like all the filming part of it. I'm trying to make them more like cinematics. They're not just like some boring vlog. So I really enjoy like that part of it, and I really enjoy also, as well as vlogging around the house, I really enjoy obviously vlogging like out and about when we go on holidays and stuff. I really enjoy all that. But when it comes to actual like makeup tutorials, unless I've brought like a product specifically, like a first impressions on a foundation or a first impressions on like a makeup palette, then I don't look forward to really filming makeup tutorials. At the end of the day, I should be filming what I want to film, not what I feel like everyone else wants to watch. Like this isn't like a job for me or anything. Like no, like it literally makes me nothing. I wanna like film videos that I personally would like to watch myself. And for me that mainly is vlogs and like more realistic like videos, like what I wore videos, what I eat videos. Like I think those are more what I would like to watch. So I don't know, I'd really like you guys to let me know down below what you prefer watching of mine, whether you like all the makeup tutorials, whether you prefer the vlogs, just because like I'm really undecided on my channel at the moment. And I just feel like sometimes I'm filming makeup tutorials and I'm not enjoying filming it, and I hate that. So I think I'm just going to do more kind of like vlog style videos. I will do makeup videos, but just not all the time. So just don't expect them to come like every week, because they're not going to. And yeah, I quite like to just do a different sort of variation of videos, I think, mainly. But just let me know down below what you'd like to see more of, because I would really love to know that. I just thought I'd show you this as well quickly, because this is the jewellery stand that I showed yesterday, and I've just filled it up with some jewellery. So I've got some hanging earrings here and some bracelets, and then I've got these dangly earrings and also some like hoops. You really can't see them. But yeah, I've got some hoops, and then on this side I've just got all my necklaces. But yeah, it looks so cute. I absolutely love this. So I'm not actually doing a lot today. Later on, me and my mum are going to a salon. It's called Charlotte Benson's Beauty Bar, I think. And it's in Hove, because we need to get a patch test done, because we want to get eyelash extensions in a few months, because I wanted to get them for our holiday in September, but I wanted to get them before just to see what they look like, to see whether I like them or not. So we're going to get those done I think in May. And we need to get a patch test done just to make sure we're not allergic to anything. But I would just rather get it done sooner rather than later, just to get it out of the way. So we're going to do that this afternoon. And that is pretty much about it. I need to go to the garage at some point and pick up Freddie. So yeah, I probably will do that quite soon actually. And I need to get my steps in, because I'm still doing my 10k I can never say it, 10k a day for charity. I'm obviously on day 20 now, which is insane, so I'm doing really, really well, and I've absolutely smashed it every day. So again, I will link my donation page down below if you'd like to go and sponsor me. I would really, really appreciate it. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna, don't know, maybe make a snack or something, and just chill and watch some videos, I think, because I just need to relax. Like, I feel like on days off when I don't do anything, it feels so like a waste of a day, but I really need to learn to just chill and relax on my days off and not have to think, oh my god, I need to do this, I need to do that. Like, that's why you have a day off, to do nothing. So that's what I'm gonna do.